Hi guys, this is Sheikh. Welcome to my channel. আজকে আমরা শিখব most important daily used sentence. I was to be at office. আমাকে অফিসে থাকতে হয়েছিল. I was to be at office. I am to come at office. আমাকে অফিসে আসতে হয়. I am to come at office. I am to be at office. আমাকে অফিসে থাকতে হয়. I am to be at office. I am about to reach office. আমি অফিসে পৌঁছার কাছাকাছি. I am about to reach office. I had to be at office. আমাকে অফিসে থাকতে হয়েছিল. I had to be at office. I have to come at office. আমাকে অফিসে আসতে হয়. I have to come at office. I have to be at office. আমাকে অফিসে থাকতে হবে. I have to be at office. I used to come at office. আমি অফিসে আসি. I used to come at office. I used to be at office. আমি অফিসে থাকতাম. I used to be at office. I would come at office. আমি অফিসে আসতাম. I would come at office. I would be at office. আমি অফিসে থাকতাম. I would be at office. I should have come at office. আমার অফিসে আসা উচিত ছিল. I should have come at office. I should have been at office. আমার অফিসে থাকা উচিত ছিল. I should have been at office. I should come at office. আমার অফিসে আসা উচিত. I should come at office. I should be at office. আমার অফিসে থাকা উচিত. I should be at office. I must have come at office. আমি অবশ্যই অফিসে এসেছিলাম. I must have come at office. I must have been at office. আমি অবশ্যই অফিসে ছিলাম. I must have been at office. I must come at office. আমি অবশ্যই অফিসে আসব. I must come at office. I must be at office. আমি অবশ্যই অফিসে থাকব. I must be at office. I might come at office. আমি অফিসে হয়তো আসতে পারতাম. I might come at office. I might be at office. আমি অফিসে হয়তো থাকতে পারতাম. I might be at office. I may come at office. আমি অফিসে আসতেও পারি. I may come at office. I may be at office. আমি অফিসে থাকতেও পারি. I may be at office. I will be able to come at office. আমি অফিসে আসতে পারবো. I will be able to come at office. I will be able to be at office. আমি অফিসে থাকতে পারবো. I will be able to be at office. I could come at office. আমি অফিসে আসতে পারতাম. I could come at office. I could be at office. আমি অফিসে থাকতে পারতাম. I could be at office. I can come at office. আমি অফিসে আসতে পারি. I can come at office. I can be at office. আমি অফিসে থাকতে পারি. I can be at office. I was coming at office. আমি অফিসে আসছিলাম। I was coming at office. I am coming at office. আমি অফিসে আসছি। I am coming at office. Thanks for watching my videos. If you want to get this type of videos, please subscribe my channel.